Apart from this, it is also evident that there is no dispute with regard to the norms fixed under the Government Order dated 2011-1977. The aforesaid Government Order is not under challenge. The Government Order categorically prescribes that no appointment should be made in excess of the norms as indicated therein, merely because the principal of the institution has initiated the proceeding and the DIOS erroneously granted the permission. The same would not crystallize any right conferred on the principal to make appointment in excess of the norms. The government order therefore lays down a blanket ban on future appointments in excess of the norms prescribed. In my opinion, the principal committed a manifest error by seeking an approval of selections in respect of posts which were in excess of the norms of the government order dated 2011-1977, and to that extent the impugned order cannot be faulted with. The finding recorded by the Joint Director of Education therefore fixed the number of posts available to the institution as 14 is absolutely correct and is a calculation made in accordance with the norms prescribed in the government order dated 2011-1977. Para. The selections which have proceeded indicate that the petitioners were part of a selection in which 16 appointments were allegedly proceeds. From a perusal of the impugned order, it appears that the candidates proposed in the selection proceedings submitted by the principal of the institution were in three categories. This is evident from the facts which have been recorded in the impugned order and is not disputed. The district inspector of schools was informed by the principal through the letter dated 15/9/2006 that 3 candidates have been selected in the scheduled caste category and 5 candidates in the OBC category. Similarly, 8 candidates were selected in the general category. The selections therefore proceeded category-wise applying the reservation policy. The selections therefore were held under the impression that there were 16 posts available and accordingly the distribution was made category-wise. It is thus evident that the selections which have been held are under an erroneous impression inasmuch as only 7 posts were available, whereas the selections have been held against 16 posts in different categories. Para. The question is whether the selection could have been held in the different categories provided the posts were available for each of the said category. The impugned order records that there are 7 persons already working in the institution. Those who are admittedly working belong to the reserved categories. The breakup which has been given in the impugned order is to the effect that out of 7 working employees, 5 are of the OBC category, 1 is a sweeper and 1 another employee is of the SC category. If the total number of posts is taken to be 14, then applying the provisions of reservation under the 1994 Act, the number of posts which are available to the OBC out of 14 comes to 3 and to the scheduled caste comes to 4. Over.